So follow the sun, the direction of the bird, the direction of the cloud, and breathe in the air. Cherish this moment, cherish this breath. Tomorrow's a new day for everyone. Yes! A brand new moon, a brand new sun. Society adding to the strain. Take a stroll to the nearest water's edge. Remember your place. Many moons have risen and fallen long, long before you came. So which way is the wind blowing? What does your heart say? Does your heart say? So follow the sun, and which way the wind blows when this day